Okay, so I hope you can see the board from here. Now, I want to show you how to find the antilog of numbers, okay? So, like this question now, they say find the antilog of 3.12 and but 2.143. So, 3.122 rather. So, we are looking for the antilog of these two numbers. Okay, now, first of all, let me tell you that the difference between the antilog table and the logarithm table is that the antilog table always have point in front of them. So that's how you know the antilog table, okay? That is that. Then secondly, for you to find the antilog of any number, you always start from the decimal point. After the decimal point, so like now we want to look for the antilog of 3.122, okay? Then you will not go to your table and begin to look for 31. No, you start from after the point. What's the first two digits? That's 12, okay? So you go to your table, you can see point 12 here, you can see. So in antilog, we always start from the mantissa, that is the numbers after the decimal point. We don't make use of these ones for now. We don't make use of these characteristics for now. We are going to make use of it later. So let's go. To get this, I'm going to take and look for antilog of 0.12 under 2. 1, 2 under 2. That's 1. That's this one now. That's 1, 3, 2, 4. So it has given me that figure. Now, after that, the next thing to do is to make use of the characteristics. The characteristics will help you to position the point properly where it's supposed to be. So let's go. The characteristics here is 3. So if you add 1 to this 3, please, the rule is that always add 1 to the characteristics before you count. So if I add 1 to this 3, it becomes 4. Okay, so I'm going to now move the point to the right 4 places. Okay, let me demonstrate it again. The characteristic is 3. Add 1 to 3, that gives us what? 4. So which means that we are going to move 4 places. Remember, this is what we got from the table. Now, note that any figure you get from the table, there is always a point in front of it, because you can see in our table there's a point in front of it. So this figure here you've gotten here, the point is actually here, even though they did not put the point. They just note that the point is always there. So now these characteristics now, which we have gotten, plus 1 as 4, we now move this point to the right 4 places. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the point will come here to stay. So which means that our answer to this question is what? Is 1, 3, 2, 4. So that is the answer. Now, but had it been that our characteristics here, if our characteristics here was, let's say, was 2, okay? If you add 1 to 2, that gives us what? 3. So we would have moved this point here 3 times and move 1, 2, 3. The point will become here. So that would have made our answer to become 132.4. Do you understand my explanation on that? Okay, so let's go to the second one. The second one, we are going to look at the antilog. This 0.4. Remember, I said take the first 2 after the decimal. So you're looking for antilog of 0.14 under 3. Under 3 is this one. 0.14 under 3 is this one. So that is what? That is 1390. And like as I said earlier before, any number you get from the table, since it is an antilog, just note that there is a point in front of it here. Okay? So we are going to use this characteristics now, which is but 2. Remember, but 2 means minus 2. Okay, so we are going to use this but 2 now to place the point properly. Remember, I said all you have to do is to add 1 to the characteristics So if you add 1 to part 2 plus 1, that gives us what? Minus 1. Are you seeing? Now, our number here is negative, unlike what we have here is positive. So whenever it is negative, you don't move your point this way, you move your point backwards. Okay, so our answer here now, instead of 1390, remember the point is here. So instead of me moving my point like this, I'm going to move my point like this once to the left. So if my point comes here, I fill here with 0, so that my answer is what? 0.01390. Then you can put 0 here to fill it. So this is how to find the antilog of a number. Very simple. Have a good day.